Hey, what's up, guys? Hope you're well. Yes, so today we're gonna create random passwords with Python. Okay, so I'm using Visual Studio Code today, not the usual ideal, so integrated development learning environment, whatever it's called. Okay, cool. So yeah, on a side note, guys, just to cut a long story short, if you love what you see again, please do subscribe and please do share the videos with your friends. I'll greatly appreciate that. Okay, cool. So let's get started. So I'm gonna import random is R. Right, so that's the library that I need to use. So my characters, right, I'll just paste that there. So that's good. Different characters, or capitals of the alphabet and small letters and numbers and special characters. So that's that, right? So length equals so input. So that's we will ask you to put an integer, right? So password length, right? And then length again equals int, so integer, so that's then length, right? So I'm going to create a loop. So for x in range, now let me put 6, right? It's a column. So put a comment as well. So this will yield 6 passwords, right? Right. So then password. So I'm going to have a literal, right? Right, and then for p in range, another loop again. So I'll use the length this time. So right, and so the number of characters in the password, characters in the password, right, right, and then type in password again, right, and it's plus and equal, right, it's our choice, right, and then car, right. So this allows us to choose random characters from the char string, right, and then crack it on, so print and then password. Right, let's run the code. So click on run. So password length, so I've been asked, I'll just say 7, right. So they're the passwords that have been created, so seven characters, right. Okay, and 6 passwords as mentioned earlier on. So there's 6 passwords, right. I can change it again, click on run, say 10. So there's the 10 characters, and then 6 passwords as well. Okay, but I can change the range, put 20, right, and then let's go. So 10 no, 2010, that's wrong, sorry. So 10 characters, right. So I've got 20 passwords with 10 characters. So yeah, so that's how you create a password generator using Python and the random library. So thanks for watching, guys. Okay, cheers. Bye bye.